For Bass.
Thank you, Mr Speaker. My question this morning is to the Premier. Premier, the ABC is reporting this morning that a private hydro scheme in the northwest has caused substantial flooding and damage to surrounding farms. Affected landowners claim the flooding began in 2018 after you, as Water Minister, approved an expansion of the scheme, and they say the consequences of expanding the scheme were entirely predictable. As one landowner told the ABC, anyone with anything between their ears can see as soon as they get here that if you add 800 litres per second of water to this area, then it's going to flood. Your decision to grant former Liberal member for Braddon, Chris Miles, an exclusive water licence to pump all the available Jeanbrook water to their private power station has resulted in continuous flooding of the land above the Miles property. Premier, what are you going to do about it?
Good question.
Honourable Premier.
Well, thank you, Mr Speaker. I absolutely reject the inference of the question, frankly. And it is, again, it's gutter politics.
What's wrong with the facts?
Personality-driven politics, Mr Speaker, and as we have always done. When it comes to landholders affected by floods, Mr Speaker, or indeed any other natural disasters, we will be supporting them.
It's not a natural disaster.
Mr Speaker.
It's a disaster.
Honourable Member for Bass.
Mr Speaker, my question again is to the Premier. Premier, your decision to grant an exclusive water licence to Chris Miles over Jeanbrook means the agricultural potential of the majority of the Nayeda district has been limited because there is no irrigation water available for any agricultural use. The district of Nayeda was once famous for its seed potatoes. In more recent years, plantations have dominated. Now farmers are removing trees and want to bring potatoes back to the district, but they're being told there's no water available for irrigation. Premier, why have you trashed the agricultural potential of the district to help your Liberal mate?
Honourable Premier.
That there was no inference a second ago.
Again, I reject the inference of the question and frankly find it disgusting. And
What are you going to do about it, Premier?
All my 21 years in this place, I've supported farmers to grow confidence, grow their businesses,
They want to grow their potatoes.
Mr Speaker, but also ensure they have access to the best available water. And as a state, Mr Speaker, we can be very proud of the fact that we have got, I think, 75% of the irrigation schemes over the course of the last decades or more, Mr Speaker, are right here in Tasmania. So I'm not going to fall into the trap of playing your silly political games, frankly. But what I will do, as I always do, is look after farmers,
So you don't have an answer?
listen to farmers and act on farmers' concerns.
Wow.
Mr Speaker.